So hello guys, I am Shresh Parjane and I really welcome to my YouTube channel Nandip Tutorials. So guys, in last lecture I have told you that in next lecture I will teach you this trick, best trick for find square root. Okay, find is square root. So guys, in this trick, in this lecture we are learning about this trick. So first you have to remember 1 to 10 square. Okay, 1 to 10. So guys, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is how much? 9. Okay, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 49, 8 square is 64, 9 81 and 10 is 100. So guys, we are learning about this trick by this way. Okay, so if suppose someone give you a square number, suppose 961, and says that you just find its square root. Okay, so find its square root. So guys, you have to remember this trick, this 10 square. Okay, so let's start to how to find a square root. So friends, first I will teach you how to solve it, then we will do a practice. Okay guys, so how to solve it, just see. First say the unit place. Okay, unit place number, that is 1. Okay, so just come here and just find the where is the unit place number of a number is 1. Okay, what is here? 1 is na, so just find it. So here is 1 and no. Okay, here yes, here is. So here means we can say that if this 2-digit number, okay, that unit place number must be 1 na, 1 square. Okay, 1 or how much? 9 square. What? 9 square. So 9 unit place and this 10th place. So we are finding square root, then expect 2 digit. So we just expect 2 digit and just neighboring is 9. Okay, so which square number is 9? What guys? Which square? Whose is square? Is 3 square is 9 guys. What is 3 square? So we will just write this 3. Okay friends, then our answer must be 31 or 39. Okay, so guys, we should find that what is answer, 31 or 39. So guys, you can see that this 9. Okay, what is this? 9. So this 9's below number, what is 1 or 9? Okay, we have to find its below number. So 9 will not, because it is equal, it's okay. So 1. Okay, so our answer is 31. Yeah guys, this much simple, this is trick. So guys, let's forward to our practice. So let's start. So guys, we will just doing this practice. Okay, so just see here. So unit place is 4. So you can see here 4, here is also and here is also. So unit place must be 2 or 8. What is 2 or 8 unit place? And then 10th place number will be expected 2 digit. Okay, so now it's 10. So guys, we have to find that the square number which is more than 10. Okay, so here you can see here is 9, it is less than 10. Here is 16. Okay, so here is 9, we have to find its less number. What? Less number, not above. So 9 is will be perfect. So square root of 9 is 3. Okay, so 10th place number must be 3. Okay guys, so how to find unit place number? Okay, so we have to now unit place. So 2 will come, so it means 32 come or 38 come. Okay guys, so here you can see, stop it. Here you can see, so here the nearest number of this 2 is nearest number of 3 is which is 2 or 8 guys? 2. So the answer will come be 32. Okay, so just forward next question. This is our next question. So unit place guys 6. So 4, I will just love this. Okay, so 4 and 6 means unit place number must be 4 or 6. Okay guys, so 10th place number, what will be the 10th place number? Here is expected this, only 5 remaining, means 2. Okay, because the 5's lowest number is square is 4 and 4 square root is 2. The tens place is 2. So guys, what will be answer, 24 or 26? So the nearest number of 2 is 4. So answer will be 24. So guys, just forward that next question. So guys, the next question will be 9801. So 1, here you can see 1 or this one 9. So unit place must be 1 or 9. Okay, and just expected this 2, or this will come 98. So guys, the below number of 98 will be 81. You can see here, because 100 is next number after 90. After 98. So answer will come 81. Means 81 square root is, guys, 9. So just here 9. So our guys means answer will be 91 or 90. 91 or 99. Okay, 91 or 99. Okay, guys. So the nearest number of this which, guys, 9. Okay, so here you can see the answer will be this. Okay, because it's near. So our answer will be 99. Okay guys, so guys, thank you for watching our video, and if you like it, please press the like button and just subscribe also our video, because in next lecture we are learning about the cube root. Okay, which is, guys, cube root. So just subscribe our video. Till goodbye. Thank you.